who are not educated in our state or in your hometown. So once we come to a state, any state, wherever you go, not only Karnataka, even if you go in Tamil Nadu or Kerala, it will be good if you can learn the local language so that it will be easy for you in future once you complete your education to start your career in the particular state where you complete your education, where you complete your studies. It should not be like आज हम पढ़ाई खत्म किए हैं कल घर चले जाएंगे. I don't know how many of these old taken students would remain in Karnataka today after given the oath. Right, sir? I believe many students, there are thousands of students passing every year, but I see very few staying back in Karnataka and doing jobs. My brother here takes care of the nursing placement. His name is Mr. John. He's the president of my organization. He takes care of the nursing students and nursing placements. Placements in the sense he stays connected with a couple of hospitals, but we have seen very few students from Tripura or from any other state staying back in Karnataka after their education. It is sad to see after completing your education and taking a graduation, taking an oath like this, you go back home and sit quietly without doing anything, doing nothing, doing no service to the society and not giving any knowledge, not passing your knowledge to the upcoming futures. Students, you are the future of India. You are the future of your home. You should be dedicated. You should say that I have studied something, I have learned something. Do not write your exams just to pass. Write your exams to get educated. Write your exams with understanding, not blindly. Do not just read the lines, those are written on the books, but understand those lines and utilize them practically. Am I right, sir? Would that be the right point? That is what even I have done. I have struggled in my life. If I go to say I have a long life story, a long life struggles. I also come from a poor background, but today I'm standing here in front of you all as the director and a founder of Tiprasa People Foundation. This could not happen just within a day. It was just because of the struggle, because of the support that I got from the public, because of the support that I got from elders, because of the education, because of the knowledge that I got transferred from many leaders, that I could communicate with them. So I would want you guys, see, there might be many seniors who might have passed from this college and might be working in some hospitals. So try stay connected with them. Now the third year students will be working to some, even those old taken students will be working with some hospitals. So the first year students obviously would have the contact numbers. If they are working, you can think of working in the same hospitals in future. But if you because of the struggle, because of the support that I got from the public, because of the support that I got from elders, because of the education, because of the knowledge that I got transferred from many leaders, that I could communicate with them. So I would want you guys, see, there might be many seniors who might have passed from this college and might be working in some hospitals. So try staying connected with them. Now the third year students would be working to some, even those old taken students would be working with some hospitals. So the first year students obviously would have the contact numbers. If they are working, you can think of working in the same hospitals in future. But if you don't plan your future from today, think your future tomorrow or after 3 years, after completing your education, is going to be blind. It's going to be blind, it's going to be dark. So you have to prepare for your future from the first day of your college, from the first year, from the first day when you come to the college after taking admissions. You have to think, plan for your future accordingly. As I said, do not blindly study the lines in the books. Okay. I see only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What about the rest? आप लोग नहीं करना चाहते हैं? क्या गाँव जाकर वापस से बैठना चाहते हो? You know, our society is backdoor, or we can say backward today, because of students like you, who just finish your education and go and sit back home, believing that you will get a government job, believing that somebody will come knock your door and ask you to come and join the job or to come and join the hospitals, which is not possible. Imagine there are lakhs of populations and thousands of students are passing every year, and it is impossible for the government to give jobs to each student who graduates every year. So do not run behind jobs alone. There are no difference between nurses and the social workers like us. I'm a social worker from an NGO. Nurses are also equal to a social work. Even they serve the society, even they serve the patients. Do not wait for somebody to come and... I can't hear you. Probably you must be too hungry. That's why your voice is not even coming up. I have been looking at the students on the activities or the way they have been attending today's program. I don't see the enthusiasm on your face too much as required. Are you guys excited? Really? Can you raise your hand who are excited? I'm thankful to be here and very happy to see the beautiful faces of all the students today. I will not be too formal. No, I usually have a casual discussion or casual speech everywhere, wherever I go. Let me introduce you, first of all, let me introduce you about myself. I am Dinesh. I am the founder and director of Tiprasa Foundation, an NGO in Bangalore for the Tripuri community and for the Tiprasa people in Bangalore. I have spread this organization or this NGO all over the South India, like Hyderabad, Kerala, Chennai, Bangalore, and recently I started in Pune as well. And hoping to see